How to connect ChatGPT to Alexa. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to connect ChatGPT to Alexa. First, enable the ChatGPT skill in the Alexa app. Then, link your OpenAI account to Alexa. Say Alexa, open ChatGPT to activate the skill. Then, ask questions or give commands to interact with ChatGPT via Alexa. Customize settings in the Alexa app for better integration. Next, update both Alexa and ChatGPT apps for compatibility. Check for API key requirements if using custom integrations. Then contact Alexa support or OpenAI support for troubleshooting. Enjoy seamless ChatGPT interactions through Alexa. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.